Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So given two vectors, find the components. These are your components of v take away u. So if you look at v, v would be u moving 2 in the positive direction. So 1, 2, and then 1 across in the negative direction, and then 3 up. So 1, 2, 3. So v would be from the origin to here, and then u would be 3, negative 3 in the x direction, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 across in the y direction, 1, 2, and then 1 up. So v would be from the origin to somewhere around here. So v, positive v, so that would be u moving in the that would be u moving in the positive direction. Don't forget is in this direction here. So u is in this direction, but because you've got minus u, so you've got to go in this direction. So it would be something along the line of this. It would be something along the line of this. So you should end up somewhere over here. So find the components, and also find the magnitude of half of the vector v. Okay, so this number here will be a scalar. This would just be a number. It will be a scalar. So find the components and find the magnitude of half of v. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to find the components, we're just going to look at this. If you just look at it in the x direction, you're going to move 2 across, and then minus the u. But because there's a minus within this u here, it will be minus 3. So that will be positive 3. So you will move 5 in the x direction. So this will be 5. And now, let me clear this up. And now look at the in the y direction. In the y direction, it will be minus 1, and then you minus 2, because you minus 2. So it's going to be 1, 2. So you end up with minus 3, and then in the y direction, it will be in the z direction, it will be u moving up 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then you've got to take away 1. So you end up going positive 2 in the z direction. So overall it will look like this. Hang on. Overall it will look like this. So you've got to go 5 in the x direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in the y direction, you've got to go negative 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you've got to go 2 up. So 2 up. 1, 2. So it would be, so the components would be given by these 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the magnitude of half of v. So half of v. So remember, this is v here. So remember, this is v here. So half of v will be half. For example, if this is your vector v, then half of v would be half the magnitude. So it would be half of this, half of this, half of this. And now it's really you in a way using Pythagoras. So you can square everything. So square this, square this, square this. That will then give you this. Blah blah. Blah blah. The magnitude of half of v, the vector v, is given by this. Okay.